Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see from the title, I will be doing a undecorate and clean with me video, and I also will be unboxing some glow collaboratives, so make sure you stay to the end. I have one tree left from Christmas that I need to get down, and I need to clean in my family area. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And once you subscribe, hit that notification button. I do lifestyle videos, clean with me, hauls, vlogs. So I'm pretty sure you'll find something on this channel that you would enjoy. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm not going to be talking, so I will play some music for you guys. And like I said, make sure you stay to the end so you can see the unboxing of my Glow Collaborative products that I received this month. Now it's time to take the tree down, guys. I got this beautiful flock tree from Walmart, and I love putting it up every year. It always looks so beautiful decorated, and it also looks nice undecorated. Here are some DIY pillow covers that I use on my couch. If you ever want to change the look on your couch, using different pillow covers will help you to achieve that look or a different look. this is all the ornaments and ribbons that were on the tree. All of Christmas is taken down, guys, and everything looks so empty in the family room. Really, I just did some simple decor, not too much. I left that garland that I already had up on the fireplace and placed some of those white houses. And as you see, I just did simple decor, nothing spectacular, just my usual decor that I have in my family room. And I rearranged the pillows, and this is just a arrangement that I always have on the coffee table. Yeah, I just tidied it up a little bit, got down all of the Christmas decor that I had left, and everything really looks really nice in here. And yeah, so that is it for my Christmas decor. Guys, I have finished cleaning up or tidying up my family room. So I'm going to share with you what I got in this month's subscription of Glow Collaborative products. And really don't look like I got too much this time, guys. I had this product for a while. I think I got them like last week, but I wanted to get on camera and open my box up with you guys. That's what I always do. So the first item is this Maya's Room Refresher, and this is one of my favorite products. I use this all the time, and I got it in the Iowa Pine scent this time. The next item is some dish soap, and I got it in Iowa Pine scent. And as you can see, that is my favorite scent. And then I got some more dish soap in the apple cider because I really like that one also. And then I got some lavender coconut organic hand and body lotion by Dr. Barner's. I haven't tried the lotion as of yet, so I want to give that a try. So I got 2 of the scrubber sponges. And really, guys, everything that you see right here are some of my favorite products from Glow Collaborative. And the only other thing is this Burt Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Red Dahlia. This is my favorite lip balm. It gives your lips a slight tint to your lips, and it feels really good. So I ran out, so I decided to order another one of these. And like I said, everything that you see here is some of my favorite products from Glow Collaborative. When I usually do an order, these are the products that I mainly order, except for the body lotion here. This will be my first time trying that out, and I will let you guys know how much I like it. Guys, that is it for this video. If you have enjoyed the video and you made it to the end, thank you so very much, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and after you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. And as always, guys, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.